Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify chargeback workflows using Stripe Disputes Dashboard detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify chargeback workflows using the Stripe Disputes Dashboard, begin by logging into your Stripe account. Once logged in, navigate to the Dashboard section. On the left sidebar, locate and click on Disputes. Here, you will see a list of all disputes related to your account. Select a specific dispute to review its details. In the Dispute Detail view, check the status of the dispute. This status will indicate whether it is open, lost, or won. Next, review the timeline of the dispute to understand key actions taken. Take note of the reason provided by the customer for the chargeback. Gather all relevant evidence to support your case. This evidence may include invoices, shipping tracking, and communication records. Upload the necessary documents directly in the dispute dashboard. Ensure that all evidence is clear and well organized for easy review. After submitting your evidence, monitor the timeline for updates. Stripe will update you regarding any changes to the dispute status. If you lose the dispute, analyze the reason for the loss. Consider adjusting your workflows based on this analysis. If you win the dispute, celebrate this as a successful validation of your processes. Regularly review the disputes dashboard to stay informed about new disputes. Make a habit of analyzing trends in chargebacks on your account. This will help you proactively address potential issues in your workflows. Using the insights gained, refine your customer service and transaction processes. Track your chargeback rates and adjust your strategies accordingly. Continue to communicate with customers to minimize the likelihood of disputes. This proactive approach will enhance customer relationships and reduce chargebacks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.